couldn't sleep. I took a Sominex, but voices in my head kept saying, go to Seymour, talk to Seymour. I drank some tea, but gee, the feeling wasn't gone. Seymour, sweetheart, tell me, darling, what's been going on?
Hey, little lady, hello.
Who said that?
You looking cute as can be.
Is somebody in there?
You looking mighty sweet.
Seymour? Seymour?
No, it ain't Seymour, it's me.
Oh my God!
Your friendly Audrey too. This plant is talking to you.
I don't believe it.
Believe it, baby, it talks.
Am I dreaming this?
No, and you ain't in Kansas neither.
Something's very wrong here.
Relax and go with it, doll. Do me a favor, will you, sweetheart?
A favor?
I need me some water in the worst way. Look at my branches. I'm a goner, honey. Come on and give me a drink.
I don't know if I should.
Hey, little lady, be nice.
Just want water, right?
Sure do, I'll drink it straight.
Oh, your branches are dry.
Don't need no glass or no ice. Don't need no twist of lime. And now it's supper time. Relax, sweetheart, and it'll be easier. Come on, show them your mattress kind of mushy. They're right inside.
No! Get off her! Get off her! Get off her! Oh, Audrey! Audrey! Audrey, are you all right?
Yes. No.
Oh, gosh.